In an interesting development, some delegates of the Kuki-Zo community and some delegates of Meitei community came together at a table in Guwahati recently, along with some Naga leaders and Tamil delegates of Moray town to find ways for the restoration of peace in Manipur, according to some delegates who participate in the meeting. According to a source, the meeting was held on May 17 at Bosco Reach Out Guest House, Aluvari in Guwahati. The meeting was organized by All Manipur Christian Organization AMCO. 6 delegates from the Kuki-Zo community and 6 delegates from the Meitei community participated in the meeting. According to the delegates, 5 Naga leaders, including the convener of the United Naga Council UNC Peace Committee, and 8 delegates from Tamil community of Moray town and others also participated in the meeting. The meeting had 3 sessions. This is the first open meeting of Meitei Kuki-Zo delegates after several discrete meetings and efforts put by so many concerned leaders and peace activists for the restoration of peace in Manipur after the 3rd May 2023 violence between the Meitei and the Kuki-Zo communities, the delegates further informed. The participants of the meeting are looking forward to having more of such meetings in the days to come.